Hello, I'm Eric Hudeberg with the U.S. Composting Council. This is a video tutorial on how to pay your membership and STA fees. First, please go to www.compostingcouncil.org and click Sign In. Once logged in, you will see your membership portal. In the drop-down, you will see a link for invoices. If you do not see an invoice on your portal, you may need to submit your STA Certified Compost Contract, found here. If you have submitted this contract and still do not see an invoice, please contact Hester. Click Invoices to view outstanding balances. You can view the invoice here. To pay directly on the website, please click the credit card logo and submit payment via ACH transfer or credit card. If you prefer to pay via check, please mail a check with the invoice to P.O. Box 19246, Raleigh, North Carolina, 27619. If you have further questions, please contact Hester at mhester@compostingcouncil.org.